jet engine eh? Sema jet engine.
Jet engine. Niko nakunywa strong.
You're kissing the guys.
For Valentine's. Unajua kama shetani.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. And today we have a little bit something a little bit interesting. Wale tumeskip a week or two labda, but tulikuwa tuna cook kwa sababu kitu mtaelewa ni kwa nini tumetake some time kuwaletea gari. So leo tuko na gari ya white. That's all I'm gonna say. And yeah, this is the car.
Bro, even dressed for the occasion. Huh?
Shut the fuck
white
up.
pants.
Easy.
Guys, so like I'm saying, let's mwaletea a very special car, yeah. So what we have here is a 2JZ Holy Grail. You know, Mama Yao, this is the godmother of JDM engines. This is what inspires most people. Unajua watu wengine wanasikianga gari ya kwanza JDM wanajua ni Supra. Si ndio? Lakini sasa leo tumekuletea roho ya Supra
kwa mwingine.
We get. So here we have the 2JZ. Now the first thing unaweza ona ni this engine has a nice turbo, eh? This
turbo has a nice engine.
Eh? This is it's a build. It's not a stock 2JZ. And I'll let the owner explain exactly what is done to this car, how much power he's making, and what are his goals with the car. So, wacha tukaribishe mgeni. So, ndo mwenye gari, unda ametuletea this beautiful build over here. So, you can tell them your name.
My name is Gabriel Dwight. You can find me on Instagram and Gabriel Dwight one name. And it's my build, the 2JZ.
Watu wanajenga magari huko nje. Wewe kaa kwa nyumba, eh? So, baadaye ni Valentine's, eh? Nyinyi mkinusa maua, acha tunuse hewa ya tabo, bro, eh? Ndio.
Hewa ya tooling,
race fuel, eh? Anyways, so, vile mnaona tu, this car is not stock. So, where is this car being built?
Just built by Screaming Motors.
Uh-huh.
Can follow them at the Instagram, find more details about the 2JZs.
I don't think there's anyone mwenye ajui Screaming Motors. Si mnajonga Kitili, eh? Sasa, Kitili ni BMW, si mtu. Yeah? Alikuwa amejenga, it's a BMW that has been properly built. Like with the last setup, it's doing like 900 wheel horsepower, sindio?
Correct.
Right now, I think it's doing even more, sindio?
Yes.
This car with the current setup is doing like 550. It's supposed to do 550.
Yeah, it's supposed to do 550, but they changed to 400 because the heat.
Hey bro, it's hot.
So hot.
Kuna jua. Even if you look at the camera there, I'm looking, it's so hot. So, but msijali, leo mtasikia flutter, mtasikia mtaelezea mbona, if you've been watching, by the way, you can go to my TikTok account. I've been explaining how flutters, I've been explaining car terminologies, how a car works, how some tuning mechanisms work. So we are all here to learn. Ama namna gani, si ndio? So bro, let me ask you, what inspired you to do a 2JZ build on this car?
First of all, my plan was to travel the original needs, to keep it a 1G. So I was like, asked the motors, can you travel the 1G? But it's not so many people that have done that project, but that project is probably most in the UK. So they suggest me like, let me go to the 2JZ.
Okay. Nasikia hizo ndo garages na advisingi ufanye kazi smart. Sasa unaona jamaa kuna 2JZ huko na. So, on the engine, aside from, okay, hebu tueleze kwanza ni turbo gani?
So this is a Pulsar 3582.
Nasikia 3582. GTX, eh? Pulsar GTX 3582. Okay. It's a big turbo, eh? So, the engine itself, it's still stock? The block
Blockhead is stock. Uh-huh. The only thing I've done, I just done a distributor delete for pushing more power. If you have a distributor, you're only limited to 350. Mm-hmm. Can't go past that. Otherwise, you blow the whole thing.
Okay.
Yeah. So that's why, guys now put this distributor delete. Mm-hmm. It's not what you see now VVTi. It's mimicking what VVTi engines do.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So, naona pia hii tai kawaida. What is this?
Shiny.
So this intake manifold. 90 millimeters intake.
Oh, it's an intake manifold, huh?
Yeah.
So allowing more air into the engine.
So allowing more air to the engine. Yeah. That's good.
So you guys know how power is made. More air.
Fuel. More fuel.
So, going to the fuel, you said you had 1,000cc injectors, eh?
Yeah, have 1,000cc.
Are they maxed out? For tune?
Tune not yet maxed out yet.
Not yet maxed out.
Yeah.
So there's room for more power.
Yeah.
So the transmission, is it still stock?
So transmission is stock, super transmission.
Super transmission?
Yeah. 4 speed.
Oh, 4 speed, huh? Okay. At least that one can handle most of that power.
Yeah.
So you plan to stick with that transmission long term?
The long term is to go to ZF.
ZF 8 speed. So kwa interior naona kitu umeongeza special hapa ni screen. What does this screen exactly do?
So this screen monitors the engine, also the PSI, fuel pressure, pressure, and intake temps.
Ah, okay.
Plus the air filtration.
Ah, okay. Eh, naona hapa kuna peak boost FR. This shows the gear you're in.
Yeah.
Ah, okay. The amount of PSI you're doing. So you don't need the boost gauge iko tu hapa.
Yeah, so this is the boost gauge. So if it, so peak boost will pick the highest boost you've gone for a pull or run.
Oh,
yeah.
Oh, it doesn't show you what you're doing at the moment when you're doing the pull.
It keeps on increasing.
Yeah, the screen is nice. You can even do it on. You can have it on other cars.
Yeah.
Because you don't have fuel pressure, oil pressure, and then you also have like a nice interior because of the screen. Because it shows you basically everything.
Yeah.
Without kuchafua.
That's good. Hey, the whiskey sounds nice. Ataka is not chattering, it sounds nice. Hey. 11.5. Bow boost, eh? No, Napo. Oh, PSI. Hey, okay. Boost comes at 4,000. Then we have the whiskey get. Wait. I'm sorry. Bro, this is why people get the 2JZ. Bro, it sounds so nice. Boss. Nilikuwa dhani hata Westgate sound support, lakini Westgate msikia ina sound. Inalia kama shetani. Like kama shetani, but that was the 2JZ Mark II vlog. Najua Ike amesema we've taken like a week, bro. Iko 2 weeks to vlog. We come after like a week. Yeah, but more content is coming. We are cooking something. Imetukula pesa kidogo, but it's coming. But yeah, at least naweza sema tumeleta 2JZ. Wewe sema una vlogging magari unajifanya JZ. Leo tumeleta 2JZ. So what you guys do? Like, share, subscribe, and
Tunafaa kuwaletea Beyonce next.
happy birthday Beyonce.
So like, share, subscribe. Hey, Chiki Mazda. Subscribe to the
guys,
channel.
sorry, Ike is bipolar kidogo. So
Subscribe.